Hi everyone, my name is Peter. I am from thesportzone.com and my aim is to offer bookkeeping services to small businesses, homeowners, and to individuals to track or to help their managing their personal finance. Okay, and today's video topic is how you can download the QuickBooks Tool Hub and what are the features of it and how it can help the small business when QuickBooks is causing some kind of a problem while working on it. Okay, so first thing is here, what is QuickBooks Tool Hub? Okay, it is a tool developed by Intuit Inc. which help to resolve common errors while working on the QuickBooks desktop. For example, I am working on QuickBooks desktop. Let's say I'm using QuickBooks Pro 2024. Okay, let's say I'm working on it and it starts to freeze up and it's kind of working very slow or something like that. So with the help of QuickBooks Tool Hub, I can resolve this kind of an issue and other issues as well. Let's say on setting up the network, like kind of fixing up the network issues, installation issues, and all that. So I will also going to show you how it works with an example. Okay, so in this video, this video is going to be break in three parts. First part is how we can download QuickBooks Tool Hub, how to install QuickBooks Tool Hub, and QuickBooks Tool Hub features and functionality. Alright, so let me quickly go ahead and show you how it really works. So let me go ahead and open the web browser and let me type it in here, QuickBooks Tool Hub, and this is the first website directly from QuickBooks. Okay, and the link I will also this post link is also available in my description section below. You can click on it and you can be directly come to this page. Okay, so here when you scroll the window down, you can see in the first step it says QuickBooks Tool Hub in a blue color. You can just click on it to download it. Okay, you can see it is downloading at the moment. It is not that kind of a big application. It will only take a minute, not even minute, couple of seconds if I say. And while recording this video, the latest edition, or if I say the latest version of this tool is 1.6.0.5. In the near future, they can add some more functionalities into this tool. Then the recent version may be different. Okay, so here as the tool hub is downloaded, so let's quickly go ahead and install this tool onto the computer now. So let me click on yes. Here we go, and it is installing at the moment. So let me click on next. Click on yes to accept the license agreement, then click on next again, and click on install to install this software, tool onto your computer. Okay, I will make a check to launch this after the complete installation is done. So let me click on finish. Here we go. You can see this is how it looks. Okay, it is a home section. You can see it can help us with the company file issues, network issues, program problems, installation issues, password reset. With the help of it, you can also get support from it, like kind of for some time we contact Intuit. So with the help of this tool, you can do the screen share while working with them, and there are some advanced tools. So we are going to see one by one each of these functionalities that it can help us with. Okay, so let's quickly go ahead and dive into the company file issues. So when I say, or when it says company file issues, there are some times when QuickBooks company file is causing some kind of a problem while working on it. Let's say it is unable to create a backup. Let's say it is unable to pull up the company file. Sometimes user is trying to use the QuickBooks, but when they are trying to open the file, they cannot open it. Okay, so this generally happens. So with the help of this company file issues, a tab, you can fix the common issues for your QuickBooks company file. Okay, second tab comes here with the network issues. Network issues really comes up when you are working your QuickBooks in multi-user environment. Multi-user environment really help you to access the QuickBooks company file in multi-user mode. It means let's say you purchase QuickBooks with 5 users. So in your office, 5 people on their different desks can access the same company file at the same time. Okay, and I also created the video how you can set up the multi-user access for your QuickBooks easily, right? And you can also watch that video if you would like to set up your QuickBooks a multi-user access. Link of that video is also mentioned in the description section below. So let's quickly go to the third option here, program problem. Program problems means here, if we generally say, and let's say you are working on it on your QuickBooks and it suddenly crashed, and when you try to pull it up, it is not pulling it up. So with the help of this tab, you can easily fix the program issues. So let me quickly go ahead and show you how it really works. work. Let's say my QuickBooks is unable to pull up on the computer. Okay, it is unable to comes up on the computer when I'm trying to do it. When I'm trying to click on the icon, it is not coming up. So what I generally do here, I will simply open the QuickBooks Tool Hub, come on this Program Problems tab, and then I click on Quick Fix My Program. So what I generally do, it will gonna do some technical stuff, okay, which will gonna take a minute or two depending on your system performance, okay, and then afterwards, once this thing is done, then you can go back and try to run the QuickBooks Tool Hub. I mean, try to open the QuickBooks desktop on your computer. Okay, we just need to click on OK here, and now on the next thing here, installation issues, like the next tab here. Let's say you are installing QuickBooks desktop on your computer, and while installing it, you are getting some kind of a notification error message that doesn't allow to completely install it. So with the help of this tab, you can run QuickBooks install diagnostic tool, and with the help of this, you can easily resolve all kind of installation problems. And again, the other tab comes up here, password reset. With the help of password reset, you can reset the admin password of your company file. Okay, let's say sometimes user forget their password or mistype their password again and again. So with the help of it, they can completely change or reset, if I say, their company admin password. All right, and this is the other tab comes up here, help and support. Help and support really work when you are in need to contact QuickBooks specialist. So you can simply click on help and support, and they can help you. You can go to their website, and with the help of that, you can contact. Okay, and then the last tab comes up here with advanced tools. Advanced tools generally covers all kind of way related to your computer, or if I say some kind of a problem going on with your system. With the help of it, it can help us to resolve. Let's say you want to check your system configuration. So with the help of it, you can simply click on about this PC, and it will pull up the information here. You can see it. All the information is mentioned here by just clicking on that. Okay, I will close this here, and all this thing you can do. You can download QuickBooks desktop. You can uninstall or change the program. You can make the changes on the firewall settings and do all these kind of things with the help of QuickBooks Tool Hub. Okay, quick note or an important note here that QuickBooks Tool Hub only works with QuickBooks Desktop Edition. Okay, it does not works with QuickBooks Online. All right, and QuickBooks Tool Hub really works with the latest edition, let's say with 2024, 2023, or after. If I personally say, I help my clients several times with QuickBooks Tool Hub to resolve their problem, to resolve their QuickBooks problems. I generally see after QuickBooks 2018, you can use Tool Hub to resolve any kind of a problem related to their software. Okay, so this was all about QuickBooks Tool Hub. These all were kind of functionalities which you can get all kind of problem resolved with this. Okay, so this is some kind of a tool which is, you can see, help you to resolve all kind of a QuickBooks related problem under the one roof. Okay, so all right, so this was all about QuickBooks Tool Hub, and as I mentioned, if you are interested, you can contact me for any kind of a quick bookkeeping or a bookkeeping help. Also, apart from bookkeeping, you're facing any issues or something like that, you can also contact me about that. One important thing again, that I am not officially affiliated or having any kind of a relation with Intuit or a QuickBooks or a Quick. Okay, I work as an individual, as an independent individual. All right, so in case you're looking for some kind of an assistance or any kind of a help, you can see my contact information here. This is my website, this is my phone number. You can call me in case I'm unable to answer. You can drop me a voicemail, and I will get back to you as soon as I receive it. And this is my email address. You can also drop me an email, and I will gonna respond to it as soon as I receive. Alright, so this was all about QuickBooks Tool Hub. I will gonna come up with the other video that will help you or help your business related to your QuickBooks activity. If you have some topic to discuss or if you have some topic to make me some new videos all on it, you can just comment below, let me know the topic. I will try to make a video on that kind of a topic. Alright, so I will gonna see you in the next one. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.